Ranking Filipino street foods. First, ano ito? Turon? Hmm, I'll go. I'll go three. Not really a fan of sweets. Isaw, hell yeah, I love isaw. Fishball. Used to like them, but not anymore. So eight. Taho. Do I have a number one? I'll go for cheese stick. Six. No, I don't like. I'm not a fan of this. Ooh, that's tough. That's tough. Banana Q. I love banana, so I don't know. Maybe a five. Barbecue. I barely eat barbecue, so seven, I guess. Look, I love balot, but I don't know. I think there is someone who deserves number one, so I'll go for nine. Although I do love eating balot. Hell yeah!